It was one of these wonderful evenings. We're with my parents. I smelled a Daniel Gears Grenache Blanc from Santa Barbara County. It was a moment where I realized something that came from a grape actually smelled like pink grapefruit peel. Wow. My job is to listen to that vineyard. My job is not to force that vineyard to be something it's not going to be. My job is to get to know it, walk the blocks, see how that fruit performs year to year. I need to listen to what that vineyard's telling me, because the minute that you pick that grape, the path to what wine you're gonna make is pretty much laid out before you. So no matter if it's a Lodi Zinfandel or a really delicate Russian River Chardonnay, the foundational lesson is the same. Each appellation is different. It's amazing to have this array of vineyards in which to play and from which to learn. You can grow a grape, you can do the magic in the cellar, and it comes out with this, this beautiful liquid that is enjoyable to drink. It's the winemaker's job to take that very natural process and just kind of shepherd and guide it along the way to make it turn out to be something that we really want to drink. There's so much there. There's the aroma, there's the taste, there's the fact that it goes great with the food that you've made, and it can really add to the enjoyment of an evening. It's amazing.